From plastic pots and cinder blocks to whiskey barrels and wheelbarrows, almost anything that holds soil can be gardened in. The final important factor to consider is what the container is made out of. These days, containers come in all sorts of types, each with its upsides and downsides. Here are a few of the most popular container materials. 1. Plastic. Plastic pots come in all sorts of shapes, colors and sizes, which makes them one of the most popular choices for container gardening. Plastic pots also tend to be the cheapest option. They are relatively lightweight, hold in moisture well, and are easy to clean and reuse for many gardening seasons down the line. If you're growing edibles, be sure to choose pots made out of food-grade plastic so that chemicals won't leach into the soil. 2. Ceramic, terracotta. Ceramic pots are another popular choice. They tend to be more decorative than plastic pots, but are also quite a bit heavier, especially when filled with soil. Ceramic pots come in glazed or unglazed styles. The main difference being that glazed pots hold in more moisture than unglazed pots. The great thing about ceramic pots is that the clay is porous, which allows some level of air and water to flow through it. This ensures that soil doesn't get overly wet, but also means that soil in unglazed clay pots will dry out more quickly than in plastic pots. Additionally, ceramic pots are susceptible to cracking in cold weather, so they should be emptied and stored in a sheltered area through the winter. 3. Fabric. Fabric pots have become more popular in recent years thanks to their lightweight nature and the breathability they offer. They often come with handles too, which makes moving them around very easy. Plus, they can be washed and reused fairly easily. The fabric allows air and water to easily flow through it, which is beneficial to plants' roots, as they are encouraged to become more fibrous and therefore more efficient at taking in water and nutrients. One downside to fabric pots is that they dry out rather quickly, so consistent watering will be required. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And don't forget to share your gardening experiences and questions in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!